students, as you all know that we are doing carbon and its compound, and we have finished about the discussion of allotropes of carbon so far. That is the crystalline form, diamond graphite fullerene, and amorphous form like charcoal, lamp black, which is also known by the name soot, coal, and coke. Now, if you see in the book, you will see page number 108. So this page no need to do. So directly we go to page number 109. From page number 109 students onwards, we need to learn about two important compound of carbon. One is carbon dioxide, the other is called carbon monoxide. Okay, one is carbon dioxide. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. And the other important compound of carbon dioxide is your carbon monoxide, whose formula is CO. There are two compounds of carbon we have to learn. One is carbon dioxide, formula CO2. The other one is carbon monoxide, that is CO, about which we will learn in our upcoming classes. So let us concentrate on the first compound of carbon, that is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, students, what you have to learn about carbon dioxide is preparation, properties, and uses you have to learn and even test. So do remember, for carbon dioxide you have to learn preparation, properties, taste, and uses. So in today's class we will go with its preparation, but before that let us see the occurrence. Carbon dioxide occurs both in free state as well as in combined state. Do you remember? Okay. Carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere during respiration. So when we do the respiration, we exhale out carbon dioxide and it goes to the atmosphere. Okay. By burning of carbon compounds like organic compounds. All organic compounds, hydrocarbons. Organic compound means a carbon compound actually means hydrocarbons. When burns in air, okay, like from wood, petrol, we get carbon dioxide gas. Even due to the decay and decomposition of organic matters also, like from animal and plants also, carbon dioxide is produced. It is dissolved in natural water, okay, because it is very soluble in water. So do remember its occurrence. It can exist in free and combined state. In free state, we exhale it out during respiration by burning of hydrocarbons, that is carbon compounds, and by decay and decomposition of organic matter, and it is fairly soluble in water. And in combined state, okay, carbon dioxide exists in the form of carbonate and bicarbonate in earth crust. So from carbonate and bicarbonate, we always get carbon dioxide gas. And there are some compounds of carbonate from where we can get carbon dioxide. One is magnesite, formula MgCO3, remember. The other is called dolomite, formula MgCO3, CaCO3. But this compound is very important. Dolomite is a very important compound because we call it by the name binary compound. Binary compound. Now, why we call it by the name binary compound? Because there are two compounds fused inside one. One is magnesium carbonate, the other is calcium carbonate, and they are linked together by a loose bond, which is represented by the symbol dot out here. So when the two compounds are present inside one compound, such compound is called binary compound. When the two compounds are present together in one compound, that is called binary compound. And one of the example of binary compound is dolomite. Do remember the formula is MgCO3.CaCO3, and it's a binary compound because there are two compounds inside one. Now what we have to see today is this preparation. So now I'm coming to the main part. So first we will do the preparation of carbon dioxide, then the property, then the uses and the taste. And when we do property, there will be two kinds of property, physical and chemical property. Okay. So first of all, we'll go with preparation of carbon dioxide, students. Number one, preparation. The symbol of coke is C. Do remember the symbol of coke is C. So when coke comes in contact with oxygen, these two combines to form carbon dioxide, and it is an exothermic reaction. This plus heat means it is exothermic reaction, means heat will get evolved. Similarly, methane is a hydrocarbon, you know. We have learned earlier, methane is a hydrocarbon whose formula is CH4. Again, when it comes in contact with oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide and water vapor. And it is also exothermic reaction represented by plus heat. Means heat will get evolved. Now this reaction is already balanced, but this was not. So how to balance? Check this side. Here is oxygen, start balancing from odd oxygen. This is even oxygen, this is even, but this is odd. To make it even, you put here 2. So once you put 2 here, oxygen becomes even. So hydrogen becomes 4, 2 2s are 4, hydrogen 4. Balance, carbon 1, balance, oxygen. Here is 2, here is 2, 2 2s are 4. So it's balanced. So students, we can prepare carbon dioxide from coke, allotrope of carbon, by reacting with oxygen, which is an exothermic reaction, even from methane. So when you react methane with oxygen, you get carbon dioxide and water vapor. Along with that, the heat is evolved. So this is one of the preparation of carbon dioxide. So this reaction, I like to illustrate more about this reaction, students. So you should be knowing the formula of methane is CH4. Okay. Now combustion means to react with oxygen. Combustion means to react with oxygen. And you know this is hydrocarbon. It contains only carbon and hydrogen. Compound containing carbon hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. So whenever hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen, you get carbon dioxide and water vapor. That is H2. You get carbon dioxide and water vapor. And this is an exothermic reaction, so we write plus heat. This triangle means it is exothermic reaction because heat is evolved. Now to balance it, this is even oxygen, this is even, but this is odd. So put here 2. Once you put here 2, oxygen becomes even. Now hydrogen, 2 2s are 4, 4 balance, 1 carbon balance. Oxygen, here is 2, here is 2, total 4 in the product side. So put here 2 to balance it. Oh, so you understood the 2 preparation of carbon dioxide so far. Now we go with the mineral acids. Always remember, from carbonate we get carbon dioxide, from carbonate we get carbon dioxide, from bicarbonate also we get carbon dioxide, from bicarbonate also we get carbon dioxide. So one thing you have to remember, carbonate means CO3 and bicarbonate means HCO3. Carbonate means CO3, bicarbonate means HCO3, you have to remember. And this is the formula of sodium carbonate. This is the formula of calcium carbonate, also known by the name limestone. I have said you earlier. This is called sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, also known by the name baking soda. Baking soda. And this compound is called calcium bicarbonate. But you can see here is no whole 2. But here 2 has come. Because calcium valency is 2. So here will be whole 2. Okay. Similarly, here 2 is coming because the valency of carbonate is 2, so 2 will come. So it's all because of Krisch's method. I have said you, if you know the valency, you can find the formula. So from there, I have got these all formulas. For the time being, you remember the direct name and the formula. Sodium carbonate formula, calcium carbonate formula, sodium bicarbonate, H means by, and this is calcium bicarbonate. Now to react with dilute mineral acids, like sulfuric acid formula is this. This is called hydrochloric acid, HCl, and this is called nitric acid. So always remember, one of the unique property of an acid, is whenever acids reacts with carbonate or bicarbonate, you always get carbon dioxide and water vapor. Now, what you get here is sodium sulfate, which is here. Here you get is calcium chloride, which is here. Here you get sodium chloride, which is here. Here you get calcium nitrate, which is here. So I like to explain you this reaction one more time. Okay. So students, let us see this reaction one more time. This is called sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and this is called calcium bicarbonate. HCO3 means bicarbonate, CO3 means carbonate. And I am reacting this all with dilute. Dilute acid means containing water. This is called sulfuric acid, this is hydrochloric acid, and this is nitric acid. As I said you earlier, any acid, whether hydrochloric, nitric, or hydrochloric acid, when you react with carbonate compound, CO3 compound, or bicarbonate, HCO3 compound, 2 products you get out this side is common. See, one of them you get carbon dioxide, CO2 plus water vapor. You get here also is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Here also you get is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Here also you get carbon dioxide and water vapor. So always remember, student, if this side is carbonate CO3 or bicarbonate HCO3, and here reacting with acids like sulfuric, hydrochloric, and nitric acid, 2 products will be common. You get carbon dioxide, water, carbon dioxide, water, carbon dioxide, water, carbon dioxide, water. Next thing, now here is sodium, here is sulfate. So you get here is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, SO4 means sulfate. And here you get calcium chloride, calcium chloride, calcium chloride. And here you get is sodium chloride. Sodium means Na, chloride means Cl. And here you get is calcium nitrate. Ca, nitrate means NO3. So you get out here is calcium nitrate. Now do remember the valency of calcium is 2, so we write here 2 because the valency of calcium is 2. Here also the valency of calcium is 2, so we write here 2. So this compound is called sodium sulfate, calcium chloride, sodium chloride and calcium nitrate. You need to practice the way I'm explaining you students. You need to practice in the same way. You can mock this reaction, okay? You need to practice. Now the balancing part. You can see here 2 sodium balance, SO4, SO4 balance, C balance, H2 balance. Now O, here is 3O. So 2 plus 1, 3O, because already this O is balanced out here. Similarly here 2 chlorine, I'll put here 2 chlorine balance, 2 hydrogen balance, 1 calcium balance, 1 carbon balance, oxygen 2 plus 1, 3 balance. Now this one students, okay, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine balanced, C balance, 2 hydrogen, 1 plus 1, 2 hydrogen balance. Now the oxygen, if you see here oxygen is 2 plus 1, 3, so this side is also 3, so this reaction is already balanced. The last one. Now how to balance this? Check here. You can see here is 2 nitrogen, so put here 2 nitrogen. Nitrogen is balanced. You can see here there is 2 carbon, so put here 2 carbon. Carbon is balanced. Now let us balance the rest. Now we will start from hydrogen. You can see here is 2 hydrogen and here is also 2 hydrogen. So reactant side 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens. Put here 2 to make hydrogen 4. 2 2s are 4. So carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen is balanced. Calcium 1 balance. Now what is left? Oxygen. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. Total 12 this side. Now this side 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 6 12. Oxygen is also balanced. So hope so you understood. And these all are the preparation of carbon dioxide gas. So any acid can react with carbonate or bicarbonate, whereby you get carbon dioxide gas as the product. And this is the preparation of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now in my next video we are going to see is the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas. So students, so far in this video I explained you about a unique compound called carbon dioxide, formula CO2, about its free states, its combined states, what does dolomite means, preparation of carbon dioxide by reacting oxygen with coke and with methane, and how to prepare it from acid. And this reaction is not tough, okay? The way I have explained you, if you learn in that way, it will be easy for you. So these all 4 reactions are utmost important. Do learn, and the reaction may be asked in examination. Now we will learn about carbon dioxide laboratory preparation. So in our next class we are going to learn is about laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide, and that is in page number 110. So in my next class we will learn the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. After that we will learn its property, then uses and test. Then we will learn about carbon monoxide in the same way. First preparation of carbon monoxide, the poisonous gas, then the property, then the uses and the test. Thank you very much students. If you want you can repeat the video to understand better. Thank you.